Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ifeobi and I'm so glad to have you again on my channel today. You're welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do the hot oil treatment. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe and I will see you in my video. Woo! Firstly, it is a treatment applied to your hair by using oils that have been warmed up. This treatment allows for necessary oils lost to be restored to your hair. This treatment moisturizes, strengthens, clarifies, softens, and treats dandruff. Finally, the treatment strengthens your hair because the oil coats your strands, protecting them from damage. So guys, this is how my oil mixture looks like after mixing 3 of my favorite oils, which include coconut oil, castor oil, and argan oil. I'll be making use of argan oil because it is packed with antioxidants and it effectively moisturizes from inside of your hair shaft. I'm making use of castor oil because it has intense moisturizing properties. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties that prevent dandruff and scalp infections. Lastly, I'm making use of my handmade coconut oil because it contains vitamins and essential fatty acids that nourish the scalp and hair strands, thus promoting healthy, strong hair that does not break easily. I'm going to be mixing these 3 oils into this applicator bottle. So after mixing the oils, this is how my mixture looks like. After mixing, we move to our heating process. Kindly note, do not microwave your mixture because microwaving it will make it to lose its nutrients. The best way is to boil a little amount of water. Once the water starts to boil, turn it off, then drop your applicator bottle in it and leave it for a few minutes until it's warm and not hot because you do not want to burn yourself with the hot oil. So here I'm going to be doing my hot oil treatment on my twisted hair, and before doing that I would love to clean my scalp with my favorite baby wipes, which is the Angel baby wipes. It's important to clean up your scalp because it's very important to do the hot oil treatment on a very neat scalp so that your treatment will be able to penetrate into your scalp without it being disturbed by any buildups or dirt. So guys, when we are done cleaning our scalp and making sure it's very neat, I'm just going to go ahead and section my hair into 4 places so it will be easy for me to work with my oil. Here I tested if my oil was hot enough or warm enough so that it doesn't burn my scalp, and it tested positive. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my hair row by row of each sections I put out, so that to make sure that the oil touches every part of my scalp. After applying my oil, I make sure to squeeze it in so that it penetrates my scalp, and I'm going to take my twists up, as you can see, and I'm just going to walk with my other hand into my hair so that my blood will be able to circulate. So here I'm trying very hard to massage my scalp so that the treatment will penetrate my hair shaft and my scalp. And here I coat the ends of my hair as well, and yeah, I'm done with that section. Oops, I forgot the very important first step, which is to spray my hair with water first so that my hair will be manageable. So it's important to spray your hair with water first and ensure that the water gets into your scalp and into your hair strands to make it manageable. Then when you are done, that is when you should use your oil, apply it to every part of your scalp, and make sure to massage it in as you apply to your scalp. The main reason why you should heat up oil, I'm sure you might wonder why you should heat up this oil. The major reason you should heat up this oil is that heating the oils not only break down proteins in the oil, it also allows deeper penetration of nutrients into your hair follicles. You can make use of any oil of your choice, any oil that meets your hair needs. You can make use of it. You can make use of the almond oil. You can make use of the olive oil. You can make use of any other oil. So guys, here I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic bag or a nylon or whatever to be able to retain moisture, and I'm going to be using my blow dryer at the hottest point, and I'm just going to use it to blow dry my towel so that it will be a little bit hot and help the oil to penetrate my scalp. And I'm going to use the towel to wrap my hair. After wrapping my hair, I'm just going to wait for about 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, the oil should penetrate and the oil should do its work. After 30 minutes, I'm just going to wash out my hair, and that is all for this video. Thank you so much for staying with me, guys. Thank you so much. If this is your first time, kindly subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, share to your family and friends, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.